Hello, hello. This is Dr. Kevin Pallas from the New Renaissance, and I'm coming to your neighborhood for an intimate workshop. You know, if you're sick and tired of being pushed around by insurance companies, unrealistic patients, you got to check it out. The cool thing about this workshop is it's limited to just 10 offices, and it's all about the challenges and those problems of the offices in attendance. You're going to fill out a profile before you attend. It's anonymous, okay, that identifies your urgent needs and problems. Cool thing about filling out the profile is it identifies some of the problems you may not have known. I'll give you a quick example. You might think you have a new patient problem when it's really a retention problem. Oops, uh-oh. As a chiropractor, it comes down to if you're satisfied with your practice. If you're satisfied, this isn't the workshop for you. If, however, you know that your practice isn't representing your true talents and abilities, this is your ticket to ride. No matter how you practice, your philosophy, you've got the same issues and challenges as that just about anyone else, okay? Let's go over them real quick. Number one, your patients have a limited belief and appreciation of chiropractic. They're going to come in for a handful of visits, and they're coming in for pain relief only. Number two, limited reimbursement from third-party pay with 1,000% increase in the paperwork drudgery. How's this for another one? Being hesitant to tackle more difficult cases inside and outside of insurance. It includes children. With coaching north of 1,000 DCs, my experience has taught me that some DCs are looking for this guidance to really achieve and to actualize their true potential, and others are going to stubbornly cling to figuring it out on their own. And they're going to take this predictable online karate lesson, if you will, approach, wink, wink, to growing their practice. Let them try to figure out it's great. We're looking and identifying chiropractors that want help right now because they know they could be doing a heck of a lot and they're not above asking for help. That's why I'm coming to you, to identify myself and my coaching style. As you might have guessed, I'm not for everybody. So if you're looking to bust out in a huge way from being a face in the crowd chiropractor, grab your ticket while you still can. There's a money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, turn in your workbook and leave. You'll be refunded your full registration fee, no questions asked. This isn't about convincing or proving to a chiropractor how to practice, or that even you have that possibility of growing 3 to 5 tenfold. It's not any. It's identifying chiropractors they know they're capable of earning 3, 5, or tenfold their current income and are willing to accept guidance to reach those goals and to find out how. I'll see you there. This is Dr. Kevin, out.